Welcome back to another video. My name is Raffay, aka the Crypto Network, and in today's complete crypto guide, we're going to be talking about crypto trading bots. I know a lot of you guys want to make things easier for yourself. A lot of you guys want to know what it is, how it works, is it worth it, and the honest, cold truth, which is why I'm always here. But as always, before we get into the video, make sure if you have not already, join the Crypto Network Discord. Now over 170,000 Discord members. We are a growing community, and if you guys ever want to support me further outside of this educational resource, you can always join the Crypto Network VIP Club, where I talk about my daily trades, my weekly trades, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, what I'm investing into, and again, some high risk high reward plays as well for the Lifetime Club if you would like to support me further outside of this educational crypto space of content we're doing on this page. So, crypto trading bots, short and sweet. What is it? So, a lot of people want to be able to follow a certain influencer's trade or someone's trade, or let's say you have a group of friends and one person is an investor, one person is a very well experienced trader, and so they say. And they go with their friends and they say, hey man, I'm investing into this, but I'm going to be selling at this price, and I'm going to be selling at this price, and I'm going to be re-entering at this price. Well, pretty much exit strategies and entry strategies that people are somewhat not too familiar with. So the crypto trading bot is pretty much you connect an API key that is connected to towards your exchange or whatever platform you're using, and your investor or trader that you are following is so good in a way where, hey, they give you a certain API key, a development key that lets you pretty much gives access to your accounts to make trades with the amount of money that you're setting it to, and you can invest into any of these cryptocurrencies, whatever that specific person is putting their money into. So now the common factor of how this is an issue growing into the crypto industry and sometimes even the stock industry, the reason why it's bad is because, well, nothing is guaranteed in either spaces, and people have a very hard time understanding that, and they learn it the hard way, right? You learn that things are not as always what they seem, and even though an investor or trader has a good win rate or a good loss, a low loss rate, they can always take L's too, just as much as they take W's. So now, even with the current space of the crypto market right now, there are people in the industry of crypto who are charging people, an X amount of money yearly, and there are some big names in the crypto industry, and I won't name out any in specific, but crypto trading bots, are they worth it? And the honest answer is no. They really are not worth it, because you're better off learning how the crypto space works. You're better off learning how to research your own cryptos, and you're better off learning how each individual cryptocurrency that you are interested in works throughout the network of digital space. So you're better off really just learning on your own, and you're really better off educating yourself and figuring out when you should, if you think about it, right? If you can do the analysis, you can do the research, you can do the investing, right? If you can do the hard work, you can do the easy work, which is clicking buy and sell. So you don't really need, someone else's narrative to follow. You can always be your own investor and your own trader. And a lot of people in this space, right, they want to sell you a bot, right? And again, full transparency, there are people who are always trying to monetize their hard work. You can't really look down upon somebody who's trying to monetize your hard work. Look at me. I have 6,000 students in the VIP Club of the Crypto Network over the last 2 years that I've gathered. And it's because people enjoy listening to my educational, informational content, and they want to learn and grow. Now, those are reoccurring, members. Those are people who have been here for a year and a half in my crypto community. They find it that it's worth for them to stay in the Discord. It's worth for them to go to my website and, join. It's worth for them at the end. So that's why they stay. But with crypto trading bots and, educational platforms where, you're continuously providing information is different, right? Because, well, I can guarantee that you will at least learn something new, and I can guarantee that, hey, we're going to educate each other and learn from our mistakes and have these experiences together and pretty much learn from them. Similarly, if you are in the gym, right, and somebody is good at working out and they have a personal training experience, if they want to charge somebody to train someone, well, they have the experience, they have the results, and if you don't see the results, you can decide, hey, I'm not going to keep training with this personal trainer, and I'm just going to move on and do my own thing. But again, for how long do you stay with a personal trainer? It's really not ethical to stay with the same personal trainer for more than 2-3 months after you get the results and you start seeing results, because at the end of the day, well, you can learn from your experience and then you can go and follow your own path, and you could at the end of the day be your own personal trainer, right? You don't have to consistently always follow somebody. If somebody decides to go and follow a crypto trading bot, they make some W's, they take some L's, well, sooner or later they're going to figure out a pattern. Sooner or later they're going to realize, well, I could be doing this on my own. Similarly, sometimes people don't need the extra educational, informational content that I'm providing either, and they don't have to join the club, the monthly VIP club. They can join for a month or two, and they can leave. It's normal. But crypto trading bots, they are really, in a sense, not really guaranteeing too much, because you can't guarantee anything in this space, right? Except for the fact that you can learn from experiences, and a crypto trading bot is just overall not ethical to always follow, because if you are sleeping and the person you're following does a bad trade, well, you have no control, because you've already granted permission to your bot to follow the trades and follow the orders and set the sell limits and set the buy limits, and you have no control. So sometimes if they make a bad play, you could lose everything. You never know. So giving someone access to, to make these trades, whatever X amount of money that you've released to the API key, you're essentially going to eventually hit a wall and you will lose. And honestly, it's better to make the mistake on your own and learn from it than, someone else is in control of your money and you have no idea what's going on. You wake up next morning and you're liquidated, and you wake up next morning, your portfolio is zero because the person's trade you followed into did something stupid. So it's better off, crypto trading bots are better off to really stay away from. If you ever want to mess around with them, go find an influencer who's selling a crypto trading bot or something. You can always explore. There's no harm in exploring, as long as you don't explore too deep, right? You don't want to go in with all your portfolio and follow someone's trades, and then you end up losing everything that you had, that you worked so hard for the last couple of years. See, everything in crypto is a learning experience. You have to make sure where you start, you have to know where you start from and where you end, and where you can start new journeys and where you can end your old journeys. So with that being said, those are crypto trading bots, pretty much without all the bull, without any BS. And at the end of the day, you are you make the decisions. It's your choice whether you want to explore, and you can always go and do as you please. But again, everything is a learning experience. So yeah, that's crypto trading bots explained in under 8 minutes. Hopefully you guys enjoy this short little video. As always, join the Crypto Network Discord if you guys want to be part of our community. And if you want to support me further outside this educational, informational YouTube channel, you can join the Crypto Network VIP Club. Again, nothing is guaranteed in crypto. I'll see you in the next video.